How to fix Chase app not working. The very first thing you want to make sure that your application is up to date. So head over to your app store and then in the search bar, search for Chase Mobile. Head over to this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are having this issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update your app. Once you have the latest version, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, what you want to do is search for the application Chase Mobile. Once you have found it, move into it. It will be landing you on this page. In this page, tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. But if you're still having the issue, then what you can do is uninstall the application and then install it again. Reinstalling the app will definitely help you out and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Chase app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this very helpful. We'll see you in the next one.